If your printer isn't working properly on your Mac, you're definitely not the only one dealing with it. Issues like the printer not appearing, going offline, or refusing to print are quite common, but the good news is they're usually easy to fix. In this guide, we'll take you through simple and practical solutions to get things back on track, from checking basic connections to resetting your printer systems. Just follow the steps carefully and your printer should be up and running in no time. If you need extra help, you can always call the numbers shown on the screen. Otherwise, let's jump right into the fix. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Basic checks. First, make sure your printer is properly connected. If you're using a USB cable, reconnect it securely. If it's a wireless printer, ensure your Mac and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Method 2. Remove and add a printer again. On your Mac, click the Apple icon. From the drop-down menu, select System Preferences. In the System Preferences window, click on Printers and Scanners. Select your printer from the list, then click the minus icon to remove it. When prompted, click Reset to confirm. Once the reset is complete, re-add your printer by clicking the plus button. Method 3. Restart your devices. Turn off your printer by pressing the power button. If the printer doesn't turn off, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet instead. Wait for 60 seconds. This gives your printer time to fully reset. And while you're waiting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss our helpful tips and tutorials. Now, plug the power cord back into the wall outlet first and then reconnect it to your printer. Turn your printer back on by pressing the power button. Now, go to your Mac and click on the Apple icon in the top left corner. Select Restart from the menu and let your Mac reboot. Once your Mac has restarted, check if your printer is working. If not, move to the Method 2. Method 4. Reset the printing system. Open Spotlight Search on your Mac and type Printers and Scanners. Then, Control-click on your printer from the list. After that, select Resetting Printing System from the menu. Now, click Reset to confirm. Turn your printer off. Turn your printer back on. Go back to the Printers and Scanners and click Add a printer. Select your printer from the list and click Add. Wait a few moments for your printer to complete setup. You're now ready to print. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.